Craving something sweet but still healthy? These eggless whole wheat banana muffins are soft, naturally sweet, and so easy to make. Let's get baking. You'll need wheat flour, ripe bananas, yogurt, and few simple baking ingredients. First, mash to ripe bananas. The riper, the better. Then mix in yogurt, brown sugar, oil, and milk. Add vanilla extract. In another bowl, whisk your whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Combine wet and dry ingredients gently. Stirring until just combined. Do not overmix. Add your favorite nuts or chocolate chips, optional only.
Now, scoop the batter into muffin cups, filling them about 3/4 full.
Then, in preheated oven, bake at 160 to 175 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 22 minutes. Adjust settings if using different kind of oven.